Using a spray ceramic coating, fast application, long-lasting results. Here we go.
HyperCLEAN STAK. Don't know if everybody's seen this product that we've released. This is our rapid ceramic coating. Comes in a metal bottle, sprayer, right? Change for us. We have Uno, now we have this. And why did we call it STAK? It's really simple. You can stack this on PPF. You can stack this on existing ceramic coatings from any company, or you can just stack it directly on your paint. This, to me, is a game-changing product. If you want to top an existing ceramic coating, if you just want something quick, you don't know how long you're going to keep the car, you don't have a lot of time, you want something to start out, you just want to test something out, this is a great product.
And car club guys?
Perfect fit.
Perfect fit.
Professional, perfect fit.
Couple guys want to go in on it, grab some coating, put on a couple cars. Everybody's going to hang out the weekend before Cars and Coffee or something. I love this for them. Easy. When we talk about fast and quick and easy application, super quick. We'll show it right here. Love the way we do it. This is unique for us. You're right.
So we have a real simple process to follow. Make it really simple. Spray twice across the whole applicator. Go right in. I'm going to overlap the middle. Okay. Go around the edge. And then I'm going. And wipe this on quick. This is not something to wipe on slow. Here's why it is so rapid. Okay. What people will see is I have enough on my applicator to go here down the front. I made sure to overlap for you there, Marty. And I can see that I still have plenty on my applicator, so I'm going to go ahead and knock out the bumper and the headlights. One of the things you'll notice is it's super friendly to work with. I didn't get your half of the bumper, okay?
Yeah, but I'll get it.
Now, most of the time we tell you to go in with a leveler towel, really, work the product, allow it to, get leveled with a leveler towel. Here's the greatest part about this one. You're gonna see the same thing as throughout our whole lineup. You'll know when to remove. The whole coating will start to sweat. I'm sure you're not able to pick it up on this color on camera. My side's starting to sweat. You saw how much I did. I'm gonna go ahead and take a plush towel and go ahead and remove the coating. It's super slick. I'm gonna go ahead and go down where I did here. This is ultra friendly, right? So go across the headlight and now start working that bumper area that I did. And it is just so friendly to use.
Mm-hmm. And STAK, right? Interesting name, right? The other video where we launched it, we go over it even more, but it is cool. Like you can, hey, you know what? Listen, I want to go put some more on right now. I could go stack and build it up, right? Like that is the idea. You can build more, stacking it upon itself or others.
Yeah, and again, this is friendly with anyone's coating. It's what we call a flexible formula, which you guys who followed the podcast have heard us say that we really like flexible coatings. We don't want things that don't work well. Let me see that, Marty. And so even something like this, here you go. Let me show you. We have some black pieces up here. We have a sunroof, okay? But I'm worried about the black pieces besides the sunroof, as well as this piece of trim here, just like brushed steel, as well as this black piece. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this fender. And the good part about this product, go ahead and get my mirror, is it's friendly, right? Easy to use. You don't have to be an expert by any means. And I have a PPF shop. One of the things I tell people all the time that I really like is things that can go on PPF easily. You know, let me get this spread out a little more evenly here. There we go. I like things that are spread on very even, very easy to work with. And again, we have a lot of people that come to us after they've had their car coated by someone else. They were unhappy with the service or whatever. Now I have something I can provide them to go on top and maintain that coating that's there, as long as it's a quality coating. But any of our coating lineup, Sparta, Tray, this can be a yearly service. If you have that on your vehicle, you can see it really sweat on these pieces. And what we're getting away from is needing a multiple towel method. This is very user friendly. And honestly, I think I could do a car, we've been testing this for a while. I can get around a car in probably under 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You know, and get, you know, up to a year of protection. You know, but I like it in that 6 to 9 months.
Yeah.
Realistically, that's where I like it. But we've seen it, you know, we've been in testing on this for a long time. We've seen this go well over a year. But probably the people that are going to love this the most are the people that can annually service their own car or customers' cars.
Yeah, I do like the ease of use. I always have. Like, we definitely wanted it to fall into that category like we do with the others, you know? We need it to stand out, need it to be durable, but need it to have a very, very simple, easy to use application.
Yeah, I think when you kind of look at what we're doing here, anyone can do it. So my side's pretty much knocked out.
Oh yeah, I'm slacking then. I've only done my side of the hood and the front little part.
Well, as we know.
We know what?
Some of us are quicker than others.
Oh.
So I'll go on the paint here.
Some of us are quicker than others, huh? Well, this is a quick, and we call it, right, a rapid ceramic coating, right? Sprayable ceramic coating with a quick application and long-lasting results. That is the target, right? That is what we're trying to achieve. Oh, we've done it, man.
Yeah, man, I love this product.
Yeah.
We've been using it a lot in my business for a long time, trying to get the formula where we wanted it. And when you remove, it's going to be super slick, super easy to remove. It's a breeze. And again, it's flexible, right? Put it on surfaces, enjoy your time. If you're short on time, that's where this really fits in.
Nick, I almost pulled if you drop the applicator on the ground, you know, do you pick it up? Does a tree fall on the ground?
Yeah.
You know, like
That's got to go in the trash.
Tree fall in the forest, right? Like,
that's why we're low on inventory on the over here. Are you dropping them, huh? No, but this is great. I just love this ease of application. I always go back and just do a courtesy wipe, you know, with another side of the towel, just to make sure I got everything. This will high spot if you leave something, but it's not the end of the world. I just think it's one of those things, man, that I think a lot of guys are going to utilize. You know.
Absolutely. Well, we had a great launch. As if people are watching this now, they would have already seen the launch video and would have already seen all the fun stuff that came out with it. Now it's getting in their hands and using it, and then coming in and seeing this video and going, yep.
Yeah, it's super easy, man. And it's a product that we needed in our lineup, we felt. We've had this on the front of our development for a very long time, you know. I think you and I have been messing with this about, 18 months now?
That sounds about right.
You know, just trying to get it right, making it ease of application. What you'll notice, folks, this has to cure. It'll probably be fully cured in couple hours. You know, you won't have to sweat, you know, worrying about it. And, you know, this isn't a spray sealant. You know, this is a true ceramic coating. So when you open it up, you take a whiff, it's going to smell like a ceramic coating.
All right, you mentioned high spotting. I mean, it's why we are still trying to take care of where we place our applicator, right?
Yeah.
Different places, the way we do things. it will still leave a high spot because we do have solids in there. We do.
Yeah. Oh,
You
yeah.
know, and that's where we tried to define. Did you need some more?
Yeah.
It was where we're trying to define out, you know, come back to the fact that you said earlier that it is in a metal bottle. It's not in a plastic bottle.
Yeah.
Like we talked about around other products in our lineup of why we do things versus, you know, others in the industry, right? Coming out with a true ceramic spray that, you know, has a simple application, as we're seeing, and gets long-lasting results, which are proven throughout our lineup.
Yeah. And look, spray sealants are awesome. You know, we can't say that enough. We love spray sealants. We love what ease, you know, you can use them as drying aids. You can do a lot of things, right? So we're big fans of that technology. We have it in our lineup, but a spray sealant is not a ceramic coating. And if it smells really good like Fruity Pebbles, it's not a ceramic coating. It just isn't. It's a spray sealant, and that's a great thing. But it can't be represented as, you know, it can't be represented as a coating. And this was important to us to actually do something, you know, pretty unique and have something that's real easy to deal with, but also gives you ceramic coating onto your car, onto your PPF, onto an existing ceramic coating, right? And will bond. And that was extremely important to us for a variety of reasons. I wanted it for myself. I know we've talked to other people. They said, yeah, that would really help me out. And so, you know, all the way around, this is a product we felt like we needed.
The need for a quick application as well as long-lasting results.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's both.
Yeah, it's a great product. You know, my guys love it. You know, we've put it on a ton of vehicles, from coated to standalone. You know, we have some stuff, some hunting trucks that we've tested this on. Guys out in the woods, we've just had awesome results.
Now, very versatile, right? As I put it down on that lower plastic, right, does great. Wonderful job on plastics, as well as up here on this plastic to put it onto glass, put it onto the metal. Is there any places that we should be concerned about applying?
No, you can apply it everywhere. Just remember, you know, when you do trims and things like this, we got some things in the work on the trim. You know, this isn't your most robust coating in our lineup. This is about rapid, quick, right? It has a fit. For me, that mom van, you know, that mom SUV maybe doesn't get so taken care of so well. You slap something like Tray on it. Maybe you do this every 6 months because it doesn't get washed consistently, you know, 6 to 9 months, that kind of thing. You know, I find a lot of use for this type of product when I just think about everyday life that all of us go through, you know what I mean?
And I love after it sweats, it tells you it's ready to take off, and you go and start wiping, and whew, you flip your towel, you can feel the slickness. Instant gratification.
Yep.
Instant. It's wonderful. All right, if I put it on the plastics, do I just let it rest, or do I come back and wipe it off?
I kind of like it soaking in, you know, me personally. I treat it like any of our ceramic coating lineups. So if I put it on this trim right here, man, my nose is running a little bit.
Hey, you're in Oklahoma and it's allergy season.
You know, it's pretty much just going to soak right in. Very friendly to use, and you know, I'm just a huge fan of this all the way around.
All right, can we do, I know not everybody loves to do this.
I know.
Not everybody says, hey, you can't touch your vehicle, but I do. I love to touch them. Love to see that slickness, feel it, and it'll get more, right? So as you did mention, we can, right? Can this be driven? Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
You can take it out right now and go drive it. Should it stay out of the moisture and stay out of the wet? Absolutely.
Yeah, about an hour.
Keep it dry for a couple hours. Yeah,
Yeah.
a couple hours, absolutely. And then go out and enjoy it. You know,
Yeah,
go out
100%.
and show off your vehicle as it looks so amazing, right? Like
Yeah, I love
you've
it.
just you've just enhanced, right? You just made it look really good. You've enhanced the image. You made it look good. And you did it really quick, right? How fast was that? If you didn't have to wait for me.
Oh, I think you could do, anybody could do a car in 10 minutes. I mean, a car this size, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You know, and still be thorough, not miss spots, not, you know, not be in a rush. You know, I'm not in a rush, but, you know, again, leveling is going to depend on heat and humidity, you know, so if it gets hotter in the summer, you know, pay a little bit more attention, just like anything. But I think you guys are going to love this product. It's perfect for this vehicle because of what the customer was willing to pay, you know, what the customer wanted out of their car. This is an elevated experience. There's no protection on here but STAK now. But we could have easily had Uno on here, thrown this on top. We could have, you know, had Dose, we could have had Trey, we could have had Sparta, you know, come in for a 6 month, go through it. And here's the best part. It will start to fill in any of your coating's weak spots, right? It'll stack on itself. It'll stack on the existing ceramic coating. It'll stack on the PPF. It'll stack on the car's paint. Look at that. I always love this. I did some trim over here, and we even scrubbed the hell out of the trim. So, yeah, man, this is awesome, and I'm really happy with this product, and hopefully everybody kind of saw how easy it was.
Agreed. Now, if somebody's looking for a sprayable ceramic coating, right? Just like, hey, if you want to question, you know, 1 to 5 year, what ceramic coating to use, 1 to 5 year, hey, we've got another video on that. There's got to be people that when they're thinking spray ceramic coating, and it's quick application, I want long-lasting results.
Yeah, don't use a spray sealant, right? This is elevated above spray sealants. Understand the difference in those two and then make your choice. What I would say is I look at most spray sealants as a monthly thing that I put on my car. Every time I wash it or something like that, I use it. This is something literally, you know, on a car once every 6 to 9 months. If you have a 5-year coating on your car like Sparta, I mean, it's going to be in pretty damn good shape for a very long time. It's probably going to see much longer than 5 years.
Yeah. So we're definitely thinking, hey, I want something sprayable. I want it to last and quick. Caution I do, as you mentioned earlier, and what we always talk about. Make sure I got something like a metal bottle.
Yeah, metal or glass. I mean,
metal or glass. Smell it maybe. If it's way too fruity, hey.
It's a sealant.
And make sure that it's not water-based. Make sure that it is solvent-based.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for watching. I know you want to support manufactured in America car care. Hey, hypercleanstore.com.